Sparsh experience coming here to the Sparsh Global Business School has been quite, insightful. And though whatever campus that I have seen here and the conference hall and the roundtable discussion that we had today, so I can see the infrastructure is very good. And the physical infrastructure is very well created. And though I have not interacted much with the teachers, I believe that the teachers are equally, talented and intellectually enriched. MBA, Masters of Business Management, is a multidisciplinary course. So I think they are, taking the teachers from the various institutes. So if, the physical infrastructure is superb, which I have not seen, because when I compare the physical infrastructure of Sparsh with that of my own institute in Punjab University, which was a very old university, this is a marked improvement on the infrastructure. So students should leverage this infrastructure to enhancing their strengths and opportunities, and should take advantage of it in the time duration that they are here in this institute. And this is a very memorable time period, I think, for the students who are here. And I will come definitely next time, and I will explore the literature here, the library, and the other aspects of the online education that one is imparting, and the interaction that students are taking here, and their interaction with the other companies. Yes, one thing more, what I have seen here is that this business school is situated near Noida, and while coming I could see so many big companies here. So I think students, if they do well in there, if they learn their lessons well, if they take the teachings of their professors in a very serious manner, and they really take advantage of what is being taught here, they can leverage their resources, their knowledge, skills and resources which they have gained here, to take the job somewhere here only, to take the experience of the workplace. So this is a very good, because we need the experience of the workplace to even be successful in the startup. We have to serve first. We have to learn the rules of the workplace, how the formal structure works and the processes work. And then only we can think of starting our own entrepreneurial ventures. So this is a very ideal place and the breeding ground for developing your capabilities and taking up the new careers which lies ahead of you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.